Dear friends, today, I will tell you about how can you cure your hernia problem with naturopathy. I think, you have know the concept of hernia. If you still have the doubt of understanding the hernia problem, I can explain it in simple words. In our stomach, there are two types of intestines. One is small intestine and second is large intestine. Our longer and small intestine, smaller in width size is 30 to 40 feet and large intestine is of size 6 to 9 feet. For better understanding, you can take a water pipe. Like this 30 to 40 feet pipe, same pipe is our large and small intestine. Its breadth is 1 inch. Due to our mistakes of lifestyle, we face the problem of hernia. For example, we have increased our belly. There is big dust in intestine and we are facing constipation from many years, or we may face any accident, or there are so many other reasons of happening it. It may be any part of body, but main part is below chest and near the stomach any side. If our stomach's wall are weak, it will break and our intestine come from broken holes of inside skin of stomach and we feel pain and it can damage our intestine pipe also anytime. Patient can feel the swelling near the hernia place. If he or she will sleep, he or she will get relief. If he or she walk, it will be painful. Now, we treat hernia with naturopathy. First of all, you have to follow following 6 major rules for curing your hernia through self-healing process. 1. Clean your intestine. You had the disease of constipation, you are obesity patient, or you have body fat. Due to this, dust will clean from intestine. For example, I send the dust in pipe and I will not clean, it will be jam. One day water pipe will break. Like this, our intestine pressure on the inside wall of stomach. Due to the pressure of dust of intestine, it break and you become the patient of hernia. Second, you do not stop to eat the bad food to it. With this, your hernia will become chronic and painful. Now, solution is very clear. You need to clean it. With fast you can do this. And every week, you must fast 1 day. For a month, you will get the success of 4 days fast. You should not eat any on the fast day except normal water. You can increase the day on the basis of your capacity. I can give the example of great expert of naturopathy as Mahatma Gandhi. He was completed the law degree from England, but his specialization was naturopathy. He was not the degree of naturopathy, but by experiment of naturopathy, he proved that it cures all the chronic disease. So, he started to fasting his life. He did not eat anything for 21 days. After this, he completed the fast of 3 and 2 days. In fast, we stop the dust supply to intestine. Intestine will get rest to digest new food, then, it will start to remove old dust fastly from body. Your whole intestine will be empty. Your inside broken skin will join fastly. So, stop to eat in the fast period. You can start fast 1 day in 1 month and you can achieve 10 days in 1 month. You may know Shahid Azam Bhagat Singh. He did not eat anything for 116 days because he was on fast. Still, he was alive after 116 days and felt happiness and health. I have also completed my 7 days fast. No one die with fast. Just drink normal water. Nature will help to cure it if you will give time. Then you have to make the good habit of fasting. If your intestine is clean, you are healthy. So, we have to get lesson from great personality who did not face hernia problem due to fast. If you have hernia, you will cure with fast. You also must grind food for 32 times. It will also help to digest food properly and your intestine will clean automatically. Always remember, there is no teeth of intestine. So, we have to chew 32 times and then send it to stomach for digestion. Your biggest mistake is not to chew. With this, food will not digest and your obesity will increase and it will start the hernia problem. Always must remember. Your intestine is pipe, not the teeth. So, you must chew with teeth only for 32 or more times. It is very necessary because if there is no dust, Nature can close the internal muscles of stomach. Never keep constipation. 2. Walk 20 kilometers daily. You have to walk 20 kilometers daily. If you cannot walk 20 kilometers a day, start it to walk 1 km daily a day. Increase it up to 5 kilometers per day. Increase it and walk 10 kilometers a day. Increase it and final goal is 20 kilometers per day. You have to make it habit. If it is your habit, you need not to do any type of surgery. With walking long, your stomach muscles will become strong. It will get energy. Intestine will not break it. If you will walk, you can stand any hour. Walking is life and sitting is death. With walking, you will not face constipation. 3. Stop to eat non-veg. Eggs, oily and fast food and sweet. You have to stop to eat non-veg food, oily food, eggs and fast food and sweet. These animal protein and fat are not digested by intestine, and this will increase the size of your intestine and it will break your inside stomach skin and you will face hernia. Even, you will operate it, it will again start from other part. So, now stop to eat such bad food. Never eat made of food. Never eat biscuit, samosa and never cold water. There is no nutritional value of oily food. Never eat it. Please stop the tongue only. Use hand adachaki. By rotating hand adachaki, you can cure your hernia naturally. You can buy online now. 4. Do stomach muscles exercises. Start stomach muscles exercise. Like Surya Namaskar. Bend the body from up and down for 50 times. Make it goal. If it has strength, it will not break. You can strong these muscles by doing these exercises. 5. Eat more and more fruits, daliya and other green vegetables. You should eat more and more fruits, daliya and green vegetables. 6. Drink more water. You should also drink more and more normal water. It can be possible if you walk more and more because walking consume water fastly. If you want to treat your hernia problem in our hospital with naturopathy without surgery, please book your appointment at our WhatsApp no. +91 9356234925.